All right, before I start this tour, I want to tell you the negatives on this home first so you know up front. Here they are. Nothing. This house is unbelievable. We are in phase 4, and so if you find yourself all of a sudden swiping off, this video is actually for you. However, if you don't know phase 4, you just learned in watercolor, we're about to unlock the hidden luxury of watercolor. Looking forward to showing you this one. Come on, let's go. All right, after work with many watercolor buyers, there are a few aspects which all buyers are looking forward to, and this house has all of them. I'm being serious, and you're going to see that. So starting off the setting of this home, it's right off a pocket park, and it does back to preserve. This house is over 4,000 square feet. It's listed under $4 million, so that's under $1,000 a square foot. For what you're about to see, that is unbelievable. It's got your watercolor porches, it's got your pool in the back, backs to nature preserve, 2-car garage, expansive carriage house. Let's check this thing out. All right, let's step inside. So this house was built by Romare Construction, and Romare Construction gets watercolor. They have great floor plans, and the interior design was by Kirsty Corallo. There are a tremendous amount of signature components to her design. See one right here, these custom drapes here that do match the theme throughout the house. That is a signature Kirsty element. All right, so we do have a master on the first level. The indoor and outdoor living do connect with one another. But first, let's have a look at our living area here. So this is going to be your kitchen. Your kitchen does have a massive island. That island is 12 feet long by 5 feet wide. You do have a Sub-Zero and Wolf appliance package, which does give you a sense of luxury. You have a wide open concept living floor plan here, 12-foot ceilings throughout, and plenty seating for your party. What you notice is there's no neighbors in the back here, but you do have preserve area, and that is super desirable, particularly in phases 1 through 3. Very hard to find, but this is a home where you do have it. It's your dining room table, and your outdoor living area is here. Here's your pool. This outdoor living area is wonderful, and I will show you guys a full tour of that towards the end. If that's what you're looking for, fast forward towards the end and you'll get to see it. All right, let's go check out the first level bedroom. Before you get to the first level bedroom, you have a powder room on the right. That's going to serve as your living area, kitchen. You do have a laundry room here, which does get the full list of attention with your wallpaper finishes, matching room and shade, quartz, white quartz tops throughout, built-in cabinetry. And your master suite here does have a door for entry. As you walk into it, you can see the sunlight, plenty of natural light in this home. Makes for a happy home on top of just being really beautiful. Have a look at this, so nice. But check out your view from your first level master. Preserve and pool, baby. All right, let's check out your bathroom and the closet situation. So we have, again, white quartz countertops, wallpaper. Your sconces are built into your mirrors, and you do have a custom bath situation here. It does have an elevated feel, and across the hall is going to be your closet with built-ins, tall ceilings, and room for plenty of storage. Custom room and shades continue. All right, transom window, you saw that too. That's where that natural light comes through. The windows in here give you substantial natural light. All right, let's walk upstairs. One thing I like about the stairs here is they do a 5-foot wide stairs. There's plenty of room. And we've had plenty of folks comment on that little detail there. Got your custom drapes throughout, of course. Heading up to your ceiling here. There's a pink chandelier here. If you like pink, this is your house. All right, so as we come up here, we have a landing area. So you do have a secondary living area here. Got a little bookshelf area here, a little landing, and then you do have your own porch here. One thing you'll notice in this house is there are expansive porches throughout. I particularly do appreciate this porch here. See, this is what phase 4 is all about. It's quiet. You can hear the birds chirping, gentle breeze. It is the epitome of watercolor, in my opinion. For those who've never looked on this side, you're really missing out, because you're going to get a newer home, a bigger home, better private home amenities, and the price point is very compelling. Not just is the price point compelling, but also the home that you get. All right, so we have another master right here. Check that out in just a second. But let's check out the bunk room. So in your bunk room, you've got sliding barn doors here, built in beautifully. You have 2 closets and 2 twin bunks. You can sleep 4 here, and I've seen people fight over this space. All right, the next bedroom is right down the hall here. Oh, let me back up. I missed something for you. Check out this porch. How nice is that? We'll check that out in a second, get a better look at it. All right, here is bedroom. So downstairs we have 1 bedroom, a master. We saw the bunk room, that actually counts as number 2. This is number 3. This is now an office, but it certainly is a bedroom. Looks like you can probably fit a queen bed in here. You'll notice Kirsty's signature wallpaper, multi-tones, how well they work together. The wallpaper on the wall transfers over to your custom drapes. Roman shades match as well. Very nice finishes throughout. Quartz tops throughout the house, including your kitchen island. All right, we do have another bedroom here. Also well done, beautiful natural light. That's one thing about this house. The window package gives you very, very nice natural light, which makes for a super happy house. But this house is completely custom. And here's going to be the bathroom for this bedroom. We have a shower here. Got a marble look tile, but I believe that is porcelain rather than marble. But even this room has a stunning view. So watercolor. Let's check out the master bedroom. All right, as you enter in, you find the master bedroom here. Has access to this porch here with multiple doors, a tremendous amount of natural light. Closet here, soaking tub here. Let's check out the bedroom first. I do believe this is fit for a king and a queen. It's a large space, really well done. Kirsty's signature touches throughout the house. All right, and here's how you access your bathroom here. So the bathroom does have a marble shower, does have a really nice soaking tub, double vanities, quartz, white quartz tops carry on throughout, sconces set into your mirrors, and it does connect to your closet here. Very, very functional floor plan here. Great space for closet here. All right, and I promise you I will show you that back porch, so let's go check it out. This home is a non-rental, and it does show like a non-rental. It is in perfect condition. It was built in 2017, but you would not know it. So this is all completely screen-linked up here. Birds are chirping. It's your pool area. Let me introduce you to your neighbors, actually. Your neighbors are Mr. Deer, Mr. Squirrel, little Miss Birdie. It is all nature, folks. All right, let's go check out the outside living area. First, we open up to a nice screened-in porch here. It's got really good seating. Have a table here for dining al fresco. There is your barbecue pit or your grill. And here is your pool area. It does have a generous sized pool per watercolor standards. The pool scuppers are not turned on, but I can imagine the sound effects that they would make, how relaxing that would be as you're hanging out here with your family, your kids, your friends, your grandkids. This looks like a wonderful spot to make some memories. You do have an outdoor shower right over here, and you also have a built-in fire pit. This is year-round outdoor living. And have I told you it backs to preserve? This is a premium feature, only for an exclusive few. All right, let's go check out the carriage house. Carriage house is right through here. All right, welcome to the carriage house. All right, so what I want you to notice here is you got plenty of parking. You have good parking, you have good storage. Those are 2 things that are overlooked when you're buying in watercolor. You get excited about the house and you forget, wait a minute, I need somewhere to put my things. That's where the garage comes in handy. But on top of the garage is a carriage house. Let's check it out. All right, still surrounded by nature. It's just really a special, special location here. Highly desirable. All right, and here's your carriage house. Guess what? It gets the same love as the rest of the house. Here's what's really nice about this carriage house. Same natural light, same interior design, But what's nice about this is that it's separate. So you have a bedroom here, you've got living kitchen here, and you got your bathroom here. That way it lives very nicely as opposed to just being a studio, which you see a lot. You got your microwave, cooktop, same quartz islands, quartz countertops, sofa, nice drapes. It just feels very warm, very cozy, just like the rest of the house. You do have a king size bed. This is an oversized carriage house for watercolor, and that's why it has such a functional plan. All right, let's check out the shower. Have a look at that. How cool. Marble floors, even in the carriage. Well done. By now you can tell I gave a very honest assessment about this house. It really does have it all. From the open concept living, the interiors, the garage, the carriage house on top, the private pool, back in the preserve, it checks off all of the boxes. And I hope it's giving you an opportunity to question what might life look like for you in this luxury watercolor phase 4 home. And of course, I hope you feel very comfortable reaching out should you have any questions or need help from a watercolor and 3D expert. Our contact information is below. Feel free to reach out anytime.